Hi guys, so this is how you cut mango. So in this video I'm going to just show you what the easiest technique that I use at home anyway to cut mango is first have a good feel of your mango that you're using. Is it overripe? Is it quite hard? So we're just going to find out. The stone is in the center, so we want to cut on the edge of the stone. So we just kind of ease your knife in to one side at first, and then it should just cut against the stone. As you can see, this is the fleshy part and this is where the stone is, so we want to do exactly the same on the other side as well. So we can kind of find just where the fleshy bit is along the stone. You just cut slowly down on the side till you get two fleshy bits, and then you've got the stone bit in the middle. As you can see, it's just hard in that center. So then what we're going to do now is I'm going to crisscross the flesh and to cut them into cubes. So we just do horizontal lines, and then we do some lines on the other side like so, and then push it forward for like a bit of a hedgehog looking kind of thing. So loads of little squares of mangoes there, so you can just literally slice that all off really gently with your knife. There you go, and you've got like a few little cubes there. So you can do the same. I just literally just try and do the edges, any little bits that you've missed off as well. And just do the same on the other side of the mango as well. You find it works best with a ripe one, and if it's quite hard to cut as well, then you just like leave it for a few extra days until it ripens a bit more, and then it'll be ready to cut. If it's overripe, it will be really difficult and mushy to cut, so you need to kind of get it the right time, like so. There you go. So it kind of stays in its shape as well, and then just gently slice it off like that. It's really easy to cut them this way, because you can use the mango cubes for desserts, or you can add it into a pickle, or anything else like pickles and chutneys. So it's a good way just to start off to chop it into pieces. And so you've got the middle bit here, and it's like, what do you do with this bit? It's quite hard on the mid-center, but on the sides you can just cut down exactly the same way. Again, just score it and then cut it through into cubes, and you've got this hard stony center, which is still like, you can still try and take those extra fleshy bits of mango off, so you don't waste anything. And still it's fine, like, you know, with the stone, I just end up eating around the rest of the mango, so you don't waste any of it. Yeah, and you just kind of chop those bits up, those extra bits, pop it into a bowl. So this is mango is really great for using for pickles. We love to add like tamarind and red chilli into there, and chop up some pineapple as well, and some cucumber, and maybe like a spoonful of tamarind in there, and that's a really good like summery salad. Yeah, there you go. And there you go, and just the mango, just eat it afterwards and you're all done. Thanks for watching, guys.